Welcome to this Xware and Xerox running demo. Xware is a Netherlands-based ISV specialised in messaging solutions since 1988 and a Xerox Global Platinum Partner. The purpose of running this demo is to inform you about how the Xware fax server can be integrated with the Xerox multifunctionals and what advantages this can offer you. Work efficient with the integrated Xware Xerox solution. Sending fax messages takes a lot of valuable time. Did you know that you can lose 3 minutes on average on every fax page you send? You'll have to print the document, then walk to the printer to retrieve the document. Then you'll have to walk to the fax device, find the number on the fax, then enter it on the device, feed in the document, wait for the fax to be transmitted, and when it is sent, wait for the confirmation. Finally, walk back to your desk. An average of 3 minutes per page, a lot of valuable time. And if you have to wait in line for your turn, this process can easily be extended to 5 to 10 minutes. And what if you lose an incoming fax in piles of other incoming faxes? Well, your colleague may have taken it by mistake. With the Xware fax server, faxes become part of your digital workflow. Xware digitalizes fax traffic, creating an audit trail. Xware can be integrated with the complete Xerox product range. The Xware interface for Xerox EIP offers users an Active Directory or LDAP address book, duplex faxing, SMS text messaging from the MFP, and more. Integration with your email client, for example Microsoft Outlook or Lotus Notes. Integration with a broad variety of business applications such as Xerox DocuShare, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, Microsoft SharePoint, Oracle, and many more. For use with analog and ISDN telephone lines, but also for fax over IP. Xware is a modular build. There are also modules for SMS, voicemail, email, billing, dotgate, archiving, and reporting. Let us take a look at how a fax is sent with Xware. The purple arrows represent the path of the fax. The green arrows, the delivery report. In our first example, we will send a fax from the Xerox multifunctional. The document is scanned on the MFP, just like a normal fax, and then will be sent digitally to the Xware server. Here, several actions will take place. First of all, Xware will convert the document to a real fax and forward it to the PBX switch. Then the fax will be sent through the PSTN telephone network to the receiving party. A confirmation and delivery report will be sent back to Xware. Xware can forward the delivery report to the Xerox multifunctional to be printed, but can also forward it to the company's mail server and to the user email inbox like Outlook or Notes. A copy of the fax with attributes and report can also be stored by Xware in a third-party solution like Xerox DocuShare, MS SharePoint, and ScanFlow Store. Another example is when a fax is sent from an email client. This process is similar to the previous example. Again, users can decide whether the confirmation is delivered in their inbox or on the MFP. And everything is again stored in a third-party application. To summarize, let's take a look at the advantages of the Xware fax server. With Xware you can replace multiple traditional fax machines with only one Xerox multifunctional. With Xware you can save on the cost of expensive telephone lines per fax machine. With Xware you can save on expensive maintenance costs and supplies for those fax machines. With Xware you can store your faxes directly in your digital archive. And with Xware you can send and receive fax messages using your email environment. But Xware is more than a fax server. It's a unified messaging platform. Xware is completely modular. Select the modules that address the specific communication needs of your organization. Whether you need a solution for email, fax, SMS, telex and/or voicemail, Xware has it for you. Integrating Xware with your existing applications is easy. Xware is suitable for deployment in enterprise, carrier and ASP environments and can be integrated with applications on any platform such as MS Windows, AS400i series and Unix. With the Xware SMS module, for example, it is possible to send messages to mobile workers using the email environment. Ideal for letting employees know their appointment has been delayed for 15 minutes. You can also create a distribution list in the email environment and create an SMS blast to multiple recipients at once, ideal for marketing campaigns or alerts. Another interesting module is the Xware Voice module. With this module, you can access your Xware voicemail inbox by a fixed or mobile phone to play back your messages, reply to missed calls or call back the person who tried to contact you. You are even able to forward stored voice messages to another phone. You can also access your voice messages by email, having the same options as when doing this by phone. Now, however, you are able to store the messages on your own computer. Access to your email is another feature of the voice module. Listen while your email messages are read to you. Reply to email with a recorded voice message, or forward email messages to a fax recipient. Information about your fax messages is also available by phone, with the ability to forward that message. The Xware Voice module allows you to receive SMS messages for new voicemail, email and fax messages. Adjusting the setting is easy and by phone. Simply dial your number and change the PIN code, your welcome message, your settings for direct access and the settings for your SMS notification. Finally, you're able to choose a language for your voicemail menu or text-to-speech. Xware is truly more than a fax server. Completely modular and scalable, Xware can always be expanded with functionality and capacity, safeguarding your original investment. Xware will grow with your requirements. For more information on Xware, please visit our website www.xware.com.